Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Prapti Saidi. Today we will learn about English, and for my YouTube channel there are tips and tricks and many more. So everybody prepare yourself with book and pen, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for my YouTube channel. Well, enjoy listening, enjoy watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, you meet me with Miss Prapti today. Okay, I will deliver a lesson English for senior high school. Okay, for class 12 senior high school. Today we will talk about how to introduce self and how to start the presentation at the classroom. Well, everybody, today I will deliver you according to 6 term or 6 things essentials how to introduce and how to speak up starting the presentation, and it is not for senior high school, but maybe for all of you who become a university student. It is also essential for you to listen my explanation and my example how to start, how to open the presentation. Well, all about 5. First is greeting, opening the presentation. So next, introducing the presenters or introducing the members of the presentation. Next, state the focus, the topic and the goal of the presentations, and share the main contents of the presentations. So question and answer while during the presentation is happen, and the last is make a summary. Well, everybody listens. Here I will just deliver. Well, now listen please. When you express or you start the presentation, you ought to start and you show your body language is by welcoming and a warming body language, and also with smile. And the most important things that you should do in front of the audience, you should have capability how to handle the audience, and you almost have your own understanding, and you have capability how to present your materials in your mind, in your heart, and in your talk, how to talk about the lesson or the material that you will deliver to the audience. Even you become a moderator or become a host, you almost understand what you would like to deliver to the audience. Maksudnya, ketika kamu akan menyampaikan materi, kamu harus memiliki body language yang welcoming dan juga warming to audience, dan juga memiliki kemampuan dan keberanian untuk menyampaikan materi sehingga kamu betul-betul yakin bahwa kamu mampu untuk menyampaikan materi itu. Okay, so when you start, for the first is greeting. Greeting is the opening of the presentation. Here, the expression you should use when you open the presentation, such as, "Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank you for coming in my presentations. It's great to see you all. My name is Prapti." Well, it is the first example. So next, you can say by expression, "Good morning, my friend. Thank you for the chance that given to me. Now I would like to present about." Selamat pagi teman-teman. Terima kasih atas kesempatannya yang diberikan kepada saya. Saya sekarang ingin menyampaikan materi atau memberikan presentasi tentang, itu adalah expression opening the presentation yang kedua. Opening the presentation yang ketiga, you can say by this expression. Good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. An honor to meet you in this beautiful day. Thank you for coming to this presentation. I would like to share about. Selamat pagi atau selamat siang semuanya. Wahai ibu-ibu, bapak-bapak, ini adalah suatu kehormatan untuk saya dan hari yang sungguh sangat indah. Dan saya berterima kasih atas kehadiran kalian semua untuk menghadiri presentasi ini. Saya ingin menyampaikan tentang, I would like to share about, atau bisa juga it's great to see you. My name is Prapti. I would like to share, I would like to present you about maybe about global warming or business and another. Well, okay, let's check the expression with the after you greet the audience and you able to start the presentation, almost you would like to continue and you have brave yourself to run the activity of the presentation as good as possible. Then you should introduce yourself and also introduce your friend to start and to handle the presentation almost by introducing self. Now, what is the mean of introducing self? Really mean. Why? Because when you don't tell your name, how the audience will ask and how the audience will call your name when they will deliver the question or maybe give the feedback. Almost it is really mean and really need that you must introduce yourself to the audience. Jadi ketika sudah menyapa, alangkah baiknya anggota atau para pemimpin presentasi itu menyampaikan atau memperkenalkan diri dengan cara-cara yang baik, diperkenalkan semua anggota presentasinya. Well, here the expression, ini ada contoh-contoh ungkapan memperkenalkan diri dan memperkenalkan anggota di presentasi. Di antaranya adalah, okay, everybody listens. Here it is the expression how to introduce yourself and how to introduce your friend at the presentation. First, let me introduce myself and my partner. I'm Prapti and my partner is Rina. We are from third group. Permisi ya, perkenalkanlah kami, saya sendiri dan juga partner-partner saya. Saya Prapti dan teman-teman saya ada Rina, dan kita dari kelompok 1. Well, that is the first example. Now, you can use the expression, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Prapti Ningsih. Next to me is Rini, and over there is Dian and another. It is the example. Okay, I will deliver by bahasa Indonesia. Perkenalkanlah anggota kami. Saya bernama Prapti Ningsih dan di samping saya bernama Rini, dan yang ada di sebelah sana adalah dia, dan dia. Oke, jika anggotanya banyak, semua perlu diperkenalkan karena ini adalah wajib sifatnya, karena untuk membuat kelancaran sebuah presentasi. Oke, the third example is, let me introduce myself. My name is Prapti Ningsih. I am from first group. Oke, perkenalkanlah, nama saya adalah Prapti Ningsih dan saya berasal dari kelompok 1. Nah, itu semua adalah ungkapan-ungkapan ketika memperkenalkan diri. Ya, baiklah, perhatikanlah tulisannya dalam bahasa Inggris, expression of introducing self at the presentation.